We are very happy to attending on American Martian Conference in Las Vegas. This is our booth. We have quite a lot customers who are interested in our efficient electric and hydraulic picking trolleys. Also LED lamps, which you can see here with high IP 69 and our newest systems, weighing system with touch panel. So I didn't have very high expectation of that event, trade fair, but I can say that it was good decision to be here, to attending, and for sure we will plan to be to attend at the next edition. And now I would like to also invite everyone who are interested to increase their picking efficiency to high level.